ಹಲೋ ಹಾಯ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅರವಿಂದ್ಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೆಸೆಟ್ ನೆಟ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಮತ್ತು ಹಲವಾರು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ದ ಅಬ್ರಿವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸಮರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, NMEICT National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. NMEICT National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. NPTEL National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. SWAYAM, SWAYAM, SWAYAM Study Webs of Active Learning of Young Aspiring Minds. Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. NDL National Digital Library. NAD National Academic Depository. InflibNet Information and Library Network. FOSSEE, FOSSEE Free and Open Source Software for Education. MOOC, MOOC Massive Open Online Courses. Next, NKN National Knowledge Network. CDEP Center for Distance Engineering Education Program. VTU Virtual Technical University. FM Frequency Modulation. ERNet Education and Research Network. PAL Phase Alternating Line. NTSC National Television System Committee. CCAM Sequential Coloral Avec Memoir. Some of the abbreviations related to print and press media. RNI Registrar of Newspapers for India. PIB Press Information Bureau. PIC's Public Information Campaigns. PTI Press Trust of India. UNI United News of India. PCI Press Council of India. NNN NAM News Network. Computer terms ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ENIAC Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. LSI Large Scale Integration. VLSI Very Large Scale Integration. RAID RAID Redundant Array of Inexpensive Disk. MIPS Million Instructions per Second. LAN 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 Local Area Network. CPU Central Processing Unit. IC Integrated Circuits. ALU Arithmetic Logic Unit. CU Control Unit. VDUs Visual Display Units. RAM RAM Random Access Memory. ROM ROM Read Only Memory. ROM Programmable Read Only Memory. EEPROM Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory. EEPROM Electrically Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory. CD Compact Disc. DVD Digital Video or Versatile Disc. Next one, OS Operating System. GUI Graphical User Interface. DBMS Database Management System. ERP Enterprise Resource Planning. HLL High Level Language. KB Kilobyte. MB Megabyte. GB Gigabyte. TB Terabyte. ASCII 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 American Standard Code for Information Interchange. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next one, EBCDIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. LAN, Local Area Network. WAN, Wide Area Network. WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. PAN, PAN, Personal Area Network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. CAN, CAN, Campus Area Network. SAN, Storage Area Network. VPN, Virtual Private Network. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. TCP IP, Transmission or Transfer Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Modem, Modulator and Demodulator. ISP, Internet Service Provider. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. SSL, Secure Socket Layer. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SGML, Standardized General Markup Language. Standardized General Markup Language. Next one, URL, Uniform Resource Locator. DSL, Digital Subscriber Line. Digital Subscriber Line. WWW, World Wide Web. VoIP, Voice over the Internet Protocol. POP, Post Office Protocol. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. CC, Carbon Copy. BCC, Blind Carbon Copy. B2C, Business to Consumer. B2B, Business to Business. C2C, Consumer to Consumer. P2P, Peer to Peer. EFT, Electronic Fund Transfer. BHIM, BHIM, Bharat Interface for Money. UPI, Unified Payments Interface. UPI, Unified Payments Interface. NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. National Payment Corporation of India. kbps, kilobit per second. Mbps, megabit per second. Gbps, gigabit per second. JPEG or JPG, JPEG or JPG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. Joint Photographic Experts Group. Next, PDF, Portable Document Format. OCR, Optical Character Recognition. PDA, Personal Digital Assistant. PNG, Portable Network Graphics. Spool, SPOL, Spool, Simultaneous Peripheral Operations Online. Simultaneous Peripheral Operations Online. VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. WAP, Wireless Application Protocol. Wi-Fi, Wireless Fidelity. W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. BIOS, BIOS, Basic Input Output System. Next, BMP, Bitmap, BMP Bitmap. VCR, Video Cassette Recorder. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. CBT, Computer Based Training. Codec, Compressor, Decompressor or Coder, Decoder. DPI, Dots per Inch. GIF, Graphic Interchange Format. GUI, Graphical User Interface. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. LED, Light Emitting Diode. And last two are MPEG or MPG, Motion Picture Experts Group. Motion Picture Experts Group. And last one is USB, Universal Serial Bus. These are the abbreviations are most likely to ask in upcoming exams. Then thank you very much for listening.